Ready to create a bee Airbnb with your littlest environmentalist? No need to use wooden drills. Instead, let's use recycled and naturally harvested materials. Follow along as we do this activity with our O Academy youth. The very first step is to gather hollow or pithy plant stems like bamboo to build a bee Airbnb. For WAWA's activity, we are using dry bamboo as it is an invasive, non-native plant species in Georgia. You can have various size stems, but on average, around a fourth of an inch wide and 5 to 6 inches long is helpful. For bamboo, cut each stem below a node to create a natural tube, open on one end. I used a pruner to cut my bamboo to my desired length. Time for your container. We used aluminum cans. Try to have the tube smaller than your container entrance. You might need to measure your container. Gather your tubes together into a tight bundle with wire, string, or tape. Make sure the closed ends are all at the same end of the bundle. Tightly pack your bundle into the container of your choice. You don't want it to move around with the elements. We added natural materials from the forest. Make sure to decorate your can. Hang your Airbnb off the ground in a protected location with light shade in a south-facing position. Maintenance is super important. After every 2 years, retire your bee Airbnb as disease and bee waste can be a problem. As it's made of natural materials, you can leave the discarded materials outside. Have fun with your pollinator guests and make sure to tag Wawa in pictures of your new bee Airbnb.